In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a list in Trello. Now, Trello is a powerful tool for organizing tasks, projects, and ideas. You might have a list on one of your Trello boards that has served its purpose, and you'd like to clean things up a bit. Deleting a list is not as straightforward as it might seem at first glance, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. By the end of this video, you will be able to confidently remove any list you no longer need, keeping your workspace neat and tidy. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Trello's homepage. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Trello's official site. Once there, you should see the option to log in. Click on the login button and proceed to enter your credentials. Make sure to use the email and password associated with your Trello account. If you're using a shared or public computer, remember to check that you're logging into the correct account. After you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Trello workspace homepage. This is your command center where all of your boards and activities are at your fingertips. From here, you'll want to locate and click on My Trello board or whichever board contains the list you'd like to delete. Take a moment to ensure you're on the right board before proceeding. Once you have your board open, look for the small icon with 3 dots, often referred to as a More button. Clicking on this will drop down a menu with a list of options. From this menu, select Archive Items. It's important to understand that in Trello, lists and cards can be archived but not permanently deleted right away. Next, you'll see an option that says Switch to Lists. Selecting this tells Trello you want to view archived lists as opposed to archived cards. This is a crucial step because the deletion option is only available once you've switched to the lists view. Now that you're viewing the archived lists, you're ready for the final step. You'll see a button labeled Delete. Go ahead and click it, and just like that, the list will be permanently removed from your board. Keep in mind this action cannot be undone, so make sure you're ready to let go of the list before you hit that delete button. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted a list from your Trello board. Cleaning up your workspace can feel incredibly satisfying, and now you're equipped to do it whenever necessary. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Trello effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.